Well, now today is day 34, and we say for every problem, for every misgivings, and for every issue you might face, there's always a silver lining. Now, believe it or not, today being day 34, despite our birds having an outbreak, which I did a vlog a few days ago, I'm happy to say we've actually gone to market with this particular flock for the first time. Again, it's quite interesting that we also did record one of the highest, and I mean the highest sales we have ever done in a single day. So today we did produce 260 units, believe it or not, from one super amazing client whom I'm very happy. He has been supporting AfriFarmer since we relaunched 3 months ago. You guys know how this journey has been. For the last 8 months, it was very hard. It was very doubting. So what happened is, for the last 8 months, must have been one of the hardest months being an entrepreneur. Because ideally, we were actually sailing through monkey waters, and I mean, we didn't actually know once we are able to relaunch again, how are we going to recapture the market? Bear in mind, more than 90% of the research we did in our local market, we realized most of people who deal with sub-rifle broiler farming are either dishonest or they are literally scammers. And what I mean by this is, I said when this happened to us, this was last year, for a couple of months, I didn't know it was applied. So this time again, I had to literally do check again and again. And now this meant we were not going to do business with these dishonest individual or business people. And here we are, 3 months in, despite the problem we had with the flock getting a little bit ill, we have a client at the end who is willing to support AfriFarmer, who is an honest client, who pays actually at the farm gate. And this again is one of the issues I've been struggling with for the last couple of months. And it's quite amazing. Now, today, I want to showcase the progress and again some of the birds which have actually been left behind. I believe this is going to be amazing, and again also to share insights to upcoming farmers, upcoming poultry farmers, like, hey, sometimes greasy things happen at the farm. Sometimes you can feel like your heart is online. You can feel like your body is online. You can feel like you might give up, because the moment when I realized the Newcastle had actually came in, it was a very difficult moment, because I can tell you, for a single batch of this bird, I'm literally investing more than 280,000 shillings in a single production. And if you hear such a thing happening to your business, you have to be worried, because this is real money. This is not gambling. This is not... by the way, I've had most of the young people talking about... what do you call this thing? This is not aviator. And again, this is not those options most of the young people are talking about. This is actually real money. There's real money on the line. And if you realize your money is on the risk, and especially this is business money, you've got to be scared. But hey, I'm also scared because, again, this evening, believe it or not, one of also amazing supporters, amazing client from Mombasa have also called me, and he has said, you know what, bring in another 100 units. And I'm like, in a single day, I've actually sold 360 units. Wow. Now for me, I've never done this before. Like, this is a single day, and again, not a single day because earlier today we were also celebrating my birthday. And I'm like, yo, if there was a better gift I could have asked, is actually to earn a 6-figure transaction for business in a single day. And why this is so unique is 3 days earlier or 4 days earlier, we were really scared of Newcastle. But it was a bit mild. Of course, we lost some birds along the process, but here we are today saying we've got a new beginning for the same. So walk with me. Let's get to select the remaining birds, which will be due to be processed tonight. And by the way, this is around 6:30 in East African time. That's why it's a little bit darker. I'm still at the farm. And yes, if you're still asking, what are you doing at the farm? Well, I'm an entrepreneur. Once you get an order like this, you don't rest, because my joy is to ensure that this particular flock move as fast as possible. And also, amazing thing is the client who literally kind of came for the chicken today, he gave another order for Monday. So literally, I'm just clearing out. If you ask me how I'm able to do this, I'll give you one option. Sometimes it's building relationships. Sometimes it seems hard at the beginning, but if you can be able to do it, for me, I'm seeing it in business, the way you build these relationships with genuine people, with other genuine entrepreneurs. And of course, risking it sometimes, and that's the fact of entrepreneurship. That's how you are able at time to get clients. So let's get to see this chicken, and that was actually a quick update to let you know how I am excited at day 14. We have just closed a deal for 360 units in a single day. Isn't that just amazing? So let's get to see a quick one, and yeah, we go to the end of the vlog, but I felt someone needed to hear this, because I know the last video might have scared someone who was thinking to go into poultry farming, but yes, it happens. The risk is always there, but the risk shouldn't make you not to invest in poultry farming. That's what makes great entrepreneurs. Now, let's see how this one goes. Wenye tunamisha tuanzie na yule client wa Monday. I believe tuanzie client wa Monday ama tuanzie wewe kama wewe basi sasa nataka kwanza kwa yule mama tumselektie nipige hapo basi Right. Now, 1.5 Papa. Yes. They will give 1.7 pounds our end.
Kuna wengine wapo wale wa 1.75 watu wengi hapa ni
I think their machine might have. Well, we are still at the farm, and now you can actually be able to see it's actually dusk outside. It's almost past 7, and we've managed to get at least 100 birds, so we also have another 100. And guys, this is entrepreneurship. Nobody's going to teach you this in school. Nobody going to teach you this even in uni. You can only learn it through doing. There's a lot of sacrifices. There's a lot of putting your heart on the line. But at the end, the rewards are immense. And so that is it. A good update. But now for me, I'm also super tired. But I've got to do whatever it takes to reach at the top of the hill. Until we get there, it's about grit, it's about grinding, and it's about looking forward until we achieve the entrepreneurial dream. Now, until next time, this is a free farmer.